This is FiiO M7, a DApp with so much potential. Let's have a look. Before we start the review, make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable a notification so you won't miss any tech reviews. Thank you. In my previous reviews, I have covered many FiiO products, and mostly the verdict was those products are really good and FiiO knows what they are doing. No exceptions with the FiiO M7. This might seem a verdict from a fan or something, but that's not the case. But first, start with the unboxing. The presentation is very similar to the previously tested FiiO M3K. Clean, small box, which holds a stronger cardboard-like FiiO branded box. Inside the box, we find the DApp itself, a Type-C USB cable for charging and data transfer, a ton of paperwork, and a very nice clear silicone case. I am usually not a case guy, but I have to say, the one which comes with the box is actually a very good one. Gives not much of a bulk of the product and gives a little bit of grip to it. It will not protect the screen from any scratches, so it might be a good option to apply some kind of screen protector before you go into the wild. After the unboxing, I usually grab the latest firmware, same as I did with the M3K. The FiiO M7 came with a firmware version of 1.02, and if yours comes as well, it is highly recommended to do the update. The new 1.03 version, besides the typical bug fixes, gives you the option to play back DSD128 files. The stock firmware has been able to play back DSD64 only. Since most store DSD files are DSD128, it gives so much more flexibility to use the full potential of this DApp. Speaking of firmware, the FiiO M7 uses a stripped Android-based operating system. In some terms, this is very good. No bloatware, no useless applications, purely audio-focused applications and settings. Navigation is fast and fluid, even during playback, which is a huge plus. Some dapps are simply so slow, it is almost unusable and takes so much from the user experience. Now let's talk about the audio playback options. The FiiO M7 has a standard 3.5mm audio jack, which is capable to act as a simple line out and power output. Line out is mainly used for high load impedance earphones, while the power output used for low one. Sadly, no balanced 2.5mm output, those are for higher models exclusive option. Besides the 3.5mm, you have the option to use the Bluetooth connection with a ton of settings and connections types supported. It supports aptX, aptX HD and Sony developed LDAC. I was not able to test out LDAC, but still adding this option is a huge plus. Thumbs up for that, FiiO. If you have inline control on your IEM or headphones, you have the options to totally get ignored by the DApp. This is such a nice move to give you the options to set up your music listening habit by your liking. Same with the built-in controls on the player. You have the option to disable those when the player is in sleep mode, so you won't accidentally press it, for example during a workout. You can disable those separately, so if you still want to have the option to navigate and skip songs, you can do that and only ignore, for example, the volume knob. Thumbs up for that. Besides these, the DApp has a built-in FM radio. This option is probably not for an audiophile, but still, as long as it's related to music playback habit, it is good to see the option to listen to music like this way as well. Overall, FiiO M7 is such a great device with a full touchscreen control, the option to use with Bluetooth headsets and a wide variety of file type support. As always, if you have any questions regarding this product, then ask it in the comment section below and we'll try to answer all of them. And if you like this review, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.